Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Prodigal is hiring freshers and the job role for that is Software Developer Engineer 1, that is SDE 1, that too for front end, and the education or the qualification needed is for B or BTech or any other graduates are also eligible to apply, and the batch eligible is for 2019, 2020 or 2021. So there is no percentage criteria for this, anyone can apply, and the job location is Mumbai, that is India. So the next thing is the technical skills that is needed for the job role, as they are hiring for the front end, so you should be well versed with front end technologies. So candidates should have 0 to 2 years of hands-on experience with JavaScript and also proficient knowledge of JavaScript, React.js, as well as knowledge of hooks, HTML5 as well as CSS. And apart from that, familiarity with the version control system such as Git. So these are the technical skills that is needed for the job role. So then now we shall see the application link. So this is the application link of the Prodigal. So you can see they are hiring for software development engineer, that is SDE1 for front end, and that is location is Mumbai, and so BR BTech, that is engineering graduates, and that too for full time. So the next thing is application. So first step is you need to upload your resume, and then after that you can enter your name, email ID, phone number as well as current company. So here if you are a fresher, so no need to choose this, no need to mention anything, you can leave it blank. And apart from that you can mention the URL, so LinkedIn URL, Twitter URL, GitHub URL. So either mention one or two URL. So main thing is either LinkedIn or GitHub, so this is important. So you can choose the LinkedIn URL as well as GitHub URL wherever you have done your project. So you can mention those two important links. Apart from that, you can mention Twitter URL or portfolio URL, whichever. And so after that, so as they are hiring for the front end, so there is a screening, like there are few questions related to front end. So like how many years of work experience do you have? So if you're a fresher, so you can mention 0. So they have clearly mentioned not counting the internship. So internships, whatever you have done for 1 to 2 months, so they are not considered. So you can mention 0. So after that, how much experience do you have with JavaScript? That too for React.js. So if you have hands-on experience with React.js or JavaScript, you can mention either 1 month, 2 months, or in years you can mention. So 1 year of experience, 2 years, whatever. And apart from that, have you worked with React Hook? So if you have knowledge of that, you can choose yes, else you can mention no. And then after that, do you have any experience with UI or UX design tools such as Figma, InVision, so Zeppelin, or any other similar tools that are related to the UI or UX design? So if you have knowledge of any other tools apart from this, you can choose yes, else no. And the next thing is what is your notice period? So how immediately you can join after the selection? So you can mention 15 days, 30 days, whatever. So after that, what is your current CTC? So as you are a fresher, so you have no CTC, so you can choose not applicable. So after that, so there is an additional information where you can attach your cover letter. So you can simply submit that without attaching the cover letter. And then after that, you can click on I am not a robot, and then you can submit the application. So this is all about the application link and the job details. So the job role is software developer engineer, that is SDE1, that is for front end. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.